There are two ways to ask for someone's name. ¿Cómo te llamas? Used when talking to someone in your same age group, or ¿Cómo se llama usted? Utilized when interacting with someone older or in a higher position, such as your boss at work or your professor. For these two questions, there are some basic responses that can be used interchangeably. Mi nombre es, or me llamo, both meaning my name is, or yo soy, meaning I am. After stating your name, you can add a follow-up question like ¿Y tú? Or ¿Y usted? Again, depending on who you're talking to. A way to continue a first interaction with someone could be by adding phrases like Mucho gusto, nice to meet you. Encantado, pleased to meet you. El gusto es mío, the pleasure is mine. Igualmente, likewise. The last two expressions are used to respond to mucho gusto and or encantado. The next question when getting to know someone can be ¿De dónde eres? Or ¿De dónde es usted? Which means where are you from? For this, the response will be Yo soy de, I am from. For example, Yo soy de México, I am from Mexico. We hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Gracias.